In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a post in Beehiiv with this full beginner's guide. If you're not familiar with Beehiiv, it's a great platform for creating and sharing online posts, especially if you're involved in newsletters or online publishing. Let's jump right in and get started with creating your first post. To begin, open your preferred web browser and visit beehiiv.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up to access all the features. Upon logging in, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see an option labeled Posts. Go ahead and click on Posts to begin your journey of crafting a new post. In the top right corner of the Posts section, you'll find a button that says Start Writing. Click on it, and just like that, you'll be directed to the Beehiiv post editor. This is where the magic happens, and you'll be spending most of your time here creating your post. Before diving into writing, it's a good idea to first add a thumbnail and choose content tags. This helps in categorizing your post and making it visually appealing, both important aspects in drawing in your audience. Next up, you'll need to enter a title and a subtitle for your post. Think of the title as your post's first impression. Make it catchy and reflective of the content you're going to share. The subtitle is optional, but it can be a handy tool to provide additional context for your readers. Now that the basics are covered, let's explore the rich formatting options available in the Beehiiv editor. You can add headings to structure your content well, clarify your points with paragraph text, and list items easily using bullet points or numbered lists. Adding images is straightforward, and Beehiiv supports embedding content like YouTube videos, GIFs, and other dynamic media, making your posts more engaging. If you're on the Pro plan, you even have access to call-out boxes, which are great for highlighting important information. Don't forget about buttons and links, which can drive engagement by guiding your audience toward additional resources. After setting up your post's content, focus on your audience. Click the Audience tab at the top to specify who will see your post. Customizing your audience is crucial for targeted communication, ensuring that your message reaches the right people. If you're planning to send your post via email, click the Email tab. Here you can set the subject line and add preview text, which are crucial in capturing your reader's attention straight from their inbox. Don't overlook the Web tab where you configure settings for the web post. This ensures your post looks just as good on the web as it does in emails. Once you're happy with your settings, click on Review to go through everything one last time. When you're ready to share your creation with the world, click on Schedule. You have the option to publish your post immediately or schedule it for later, giving you control over when your audience receives your content. And there you have it. You've successfully created a post in Beehiiv, ready to inform and engage your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy posting.